Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the It's Potato channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a chill outro. I did a outro tutorial on the, I did a regular outro tutorial, and it got quite a lot of views as you can see. So I am going to do a chill one, more calming, not as active, I guess. But first, you need to put your name. We're making it a one. We're making it a one sprite outro. So first, to do that, this will be like a multiple parts. Okay. So first, we need to make your name. So look at your name and make it white and make it, yeah, that's good. Then change it to like 3 for the line, and then turn it white. There you go. There we go. Made it the size you want. Now, I'm going to make the backdrop, which I'm going to do let's go with the simple backdrop. We will do like a more complex backdrop in part 2. Let me make it a little lighter of a color. There we go. Now, now we need to start the code. First, let's create an event. When I receive message, let's make new message outro. We also need to download a song. I already have a song here. Might take a little bit to load in. There we go. You can use the same song. I will share this project on YouTube, so you can take it from this thing. Now we're going to get the song and then put it in a forever loop. And make sure it's until done, or else it will not work. Now I will grab this so I can easily start the outro. Now we'll make the next part. When I receive outro, switch costume to costume 1 and costume 2, and go to control, create clone of myself. Let's put it in between each one though, and create clone of myself. Now we're going to put a show here and then a hide, and then hide. There we go. Now this is how you should. Oh my god, what? I think this needs to be on the front layer. There you go. There we go. As you can see, the music works. Now I need to add a little movement to the project. We need to put when I started a clone, and put 2 of these, if and if. Actually, let's just do one. Let's go to operators, get a equals operator, go to looks and get costume number, and switch 1 to 1, and then duplicate it and turn it into 2. Here we go. Now I have some more code, and you can snag it for your own project. But no, this is not the code I need. I think it's this. And here we go. Okay, wrong one. There you go. But it worked, technically. There we go. See? There we go. Now we need to put nothing in costume 2, though. There we go. You got the basics of a chill outro tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you watch part 2, because you will get all the much more better code and stuff like that. Have a good day, guys.